Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, we there with a hot one in the morning, yeah. A mad one. And you don't know, we have to take the time frame for bless up, Father God. God is the greatest. You understand? And as well as today is the day, a big happy birthday to the legend himself, Vybz Kartel, the Gaza King himself. Big up yourself, pan your earth strong, and me wish you all the best. Alright, my people, you don't see what go on. The Gaza boss kick off his birthday early, midnight, as it dropped, and he did it in style, and he did it with just his family, privately. You understand? People, later on, him supposed to have a bigger party where I'm going to include him fans them. That's supposed to be at Mecca. You understand? But people have the clippings and everything for you. We're going to get in it. But you don't know what I have to talk about Freedom Street, my people. I'm going to check out some clippings and come back real fast.
Radiant so much.
Story. Are you me say? Me why you come fuck me like you own me? Love you, you know me, love you, know me. Love you, come fuck me like you own me. Love you, you know me, love you, crazy. Love you, come fuck me. For real, cock up and shut up. Come force something cocky up in my stomach. Can you do it for your knees? If I cast on up. Make sure you're not weak and that fuck me love. Catch a fire and watch us for love. Come back and do it like we all up alone. For your knees, up. Beautiful dress queen. Love it. You look amazing. The world boss is out. You know. You look immaculate. Thank you. You look sharp. So do you. Fuck on them. Fuck on them. Shut up. Shut up. Yeah. See, she never left me an inch. Through me incarceration, through me struggle. No time at all. She represents for me right through like night Joe. Worldwide. All who know say Spice I baddest thing and the loyalist thing. Bossa Blanc. What shall we do next, my lady? What you suggest? Pull up. Yeah, let me hold this for you. What time is it first? Let me check the time. Alright, this I said. Oh, what time? I said me and your time. No. We still have a little more time. We have a little more time. We have about 5 minutes. So you think we figure them 5 minutes? Yes. You're going to go now. Alright, give them 3. You know it 3. You want them? Honey. Go on then now. Oh, no, no, wine and a bubble. But each other such up this and what's a over and a couple and now you know me money and a bubble. You know me? Anybody be a wine and a boom. Everybody knows a jump and a boom. Wine for the body and a sit down for it. Boom so tight on the man now. Phone take a picture here and that's your face. Me a boom it and a catch it on the beat, me just a drop it. Me twerk it and a stop it on the gong like me a. Me stuck it and a pop it, I wear it and a lap it. Picture you be stop it, be a stuck it, but drop it on. This look like those minutes. Fine, hold on. We have a remix to do. We have time for do it before midnight. Yes, do it. Find the comet ready. This looks serious. We have a remix to do. Remix to do. Yeah, no. Fresh out of prison and I make more money than enough artists when they are road like girl.
Kartel, fresh out of prison and I make more money than enough artists when they are road. Or if you compare Alkaline, him and the student to the world mass teacher. Kartel, me have a remix for them. Kartel, fresh out of prison and I make more money than enough artists when they are road. Or if you compare Alkaline, him and the student to the world mass teacher. Who do I go like a two, but a one word pass? One Adija Pabber. The mother. Look how me tell us that the boss was coming. Look how me tell us that the boss was coming. Look how me tell us that the boss was coming. The boss was, me said it. Look. I want to give me 3 minutes, man.
Yeah, I am not even 3 minutes, man.
Play me loader, man. Fresh out of prison and I make more money than enough artists when they are road long. Or if you compare Alkaline, him and the student to the world boss team. The man come from prison, buy new car, new house, and new vagina. The man a make...
Spice it up. Yeah, everyone in play.
Jamaica, land we
Yeah, my people, to me, that was the loudest part of the performance. I like the way we're ringing the new year. You understand? I like the way Vybz Kartel ringing in the new year with all I'm fans, them, my people. You understand? People, you don't know. Jamaican Chat was there, so we covered all the performances. So you can go watch back the video. But my people, the next night after that, no, it wasn't the next night after that, but the following couple days after that, Friday gone, Bounty Killer dropped Killer and Friends. And guess what? Alliance was on the stage. Make you check out a piece of that.
Hey, me and somebody see about me dog and me dad. And me and see about this dog in our yard. Where is my dog? Let out me dog. Don't no stick in it, don't shut us, stick in it, boy. No box out, take a shot up. Alright then, when me show me no respect, I start fire spark with every fire and the religion.
People, but not to squeeze out the whole of the video. Them, please check out our videos, watch them, like, share, subscribe, my people. You don't know Jamaican Chat. Alright, you don't know we're there for Vybz Kartel birthday, my people. So I'm gonna drop the clippings them from Vybz Kartel family get together last night and make on see what go on. My people, the party did loud. You see Killer mash up the stage. Bling Dog did it, Busy Signal did it, Vybz Kartel did it as well, but him never touched the stage. He actually left early because that day he had a funeral with his family as well. You understand? My people, alright, yes, I'm gonna jump off. Continue like, share, subscribe. Oh, and my people, no see what go on. We got to 100K subscribers. Thank you so much, my subscribers. That happened this morning. Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat, this is where I'm gonna jump off. What the below my nose? I'm out.
You got my cousin there, Slimmatic there. A Johnny Girl Magnet there. auntie there from foreign. And all of my cousins she carrying. Big up Auntie Tanya. Big up Anifa. Alright, but this is Sosa. Alright, big up. Shut up. Yeah, all of my auntie them don't make it. But baby, my uncle. Big up baby and my father, brother them and sister. Right, thank you. Then you're a party. Go to the soul. Pull back a sound. Yes. Big up that nice. Wallace. Zima.
IG.
How about CBJ in one part? We're going to 2 a.m.
This is family. It be like.
Right, thank you. Then you're a party. Go to the soul. Pull back a sound. Yes. Big up that nice. Wallace. Zima.
IG.
How about CBJ in one part? We're going to 2 a.m.
This is family. It be like.